from the decking. Sun rising. I can't video for too long because... Oh, Christ. Look at that video. Day 3. First time we've had blue skies. It's been really rough during the night, but it's calmed down. And we're off.
Cod coming in. Everywhere, it's just like coming in.
Long liners and trawlers, they must get to ridiculous rates. So £40 not uncommon.
Oh, they'll be getting £100.
Wow.
And stray cod, like the average size is £20 to £40. That's it.
£100 cod. You found all these marks from just coming up on holiday here yourself, or was part of the
So I
sports
got given a 2-week research period where I just came with another person, and then after that we started sending guests out. Like, we obviously worked out more marks as we went on.
Yeah, so
So
just Google Maps, fish it.
A lot of navionics, more charts than Google Maps. Looking at the depth charts and making sure you can get like fairly clean ground close to the shore.
Yeah, to get rods in as well.
Yeah, exactly.
You need a biggish mark, don't you?
A lot of the time you have to split people up.
Yeah.
If you've got a full group, do like a 4 and a 3. There's not many marks where you're going to get 7 anglers.
No, not necessarily here.
Especially if everyone wants to fish 2 rods, which is what you really want to do when you're on holiday, don't you?
I did today just because it was slow, but I suppose more reason to put 2 rods out.
Well, we've got to the mark, and them two is an old, I'll show you, it's an old derelict house. They're fishing one side and then Paul fishing this side of it. What? When we set out it was sunny, nice. Now look at it, into around there. No fish yet. We ain't having much luck with the weather. If the sun comes out, do some filming because it's pretty spectacular with all the mountains and that. And do some filming if there's any fish. We live in hope.
Right, so Jeff's had a couple of little knocks. Fingers crossed. No, nothing. Right, just had a bite. That on that rod, it's come back. Took a little bit of line. It's picking up the slack. Fish on, Jeff?
It's not very big as it is on. It's not doing it all the way.
My cod yesterday didn't do a great deal. We're at the leader.
Here's a fish.
Fish on! Oh, it's a halibut! Yay! Halibut! Well done, mate.
Oh, the blank.
The Wank is over. Nice one, mate.
I haven't got to wear the hat tonight.
I know, we're all going to have to wear hats tonight. Nominated him running, weren't it? There was a halibut. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Jeff, pleased?
Yeah. It's not the biggest.
Let's have a look there, mate. Let's get the thumbnail.
The sun's come out as well, look at that.
Sun's out. Sun's out. Halibut's out. Hey.
At last. I told you earlier I'd get the camera out if the sun come out.
Yeah. Now I know why my first one was holding so well in the bottom. It was a big bloody snag.
Oh yeah.
That's why it was holding. Well, that holding well.
Look at this place. Absolutely stunning. And I've caught a halibut, a small one admittedly, but it's my personal best. Anyway, enough of the mountains, let's get back to the fishing. Oh look, I've got to unlock it. Quickly, get it unlocked. Just got to film this spot again while the sun's out. It's fantastic. Fish on!
There's no stopping him now, look. First the halibut. And here we go. Lovely. Are you catching fish, Jeff?
Good dinner, right?
That's a good one, isn't it?
7 pounder, 8 pounder maybe. How's the mate?
And how do you feel? It's a beauty.
Yeah, what on the way in? Probably catching the weed down below you there. Yeah, it's weed on or off.
Look at that Norway cod, it's a beauty. Fantastic.
Right, get it out, okay? We'll get it back.
Come and try over it, try.
I think a bit of lemon is where that cod's heading. Lovely.
Piers is in. What is it, Piers?
Hey.
What's it? What is it, a dab? That's a big dab. I'm on my way round. To run round.
I'm back in Whitstable.
That's you wouldn't. I don't think. I think you might have to get that on the measure.
That is breakfast, my friend.
It's coming home, is it?
You know a dab for breakfast, don't you?
It's coming home. I put my halibut back. It was a bigger dab than that. Well done, mate.
Mind yourself, Ross. Incoming.
Oh, it's a tape measure. Oh.
What's this one?
Oh. So tonight, cooking fish. Fruit de mer.
La mer.
La mer. Charmaine. Busy! Give us a wave! He'd do anything you ask him to, wouldn't he? Good lad. He's a good
It's a
lad.
family show.
He's a good lad. And they're stunning. The way how the scenery changes with the different lights, you know. The sun comes out.
Look up in the mountain, like it's got a face. You know, it's like like the mountain will got a face in it.
The man of the
The
mountain.
man of the mountain. See what I mean?
Yeah.
Sort of peaked towards us.
Fantastic. He's having a cast. I don't know whether to film this or not because he's just chucked one away. Here he goes. Here he goes. The classic overhead thump. Oh, and away.
Ooh, like
Yeah, nice cast. Since I tired, the fishing's gone a bit quiet. Boys are trying on the lures. The bait's coming back untouched. So all we've got to do is look at this scenery and think about eating my cod tonight. It's a nice kelpie as well, so I reckon they taste good. Next time you'll see it, it will be in the frying pan. Now, we're thinking of saving up, clubbing together to buy this old derelict place, turn it into an Airbnb. We're looking. Well, we've moved spot. This is where he was on. Was it day one, Piers?
It was.
Day one. That one of them.
It has.
Well, look at the water today compared to what it was then.
I'm not sure it has fond memories.
Fine. Oh, that was the day you lost the cod, wasn't
I
it?
was quite. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Catch and release, Jeff.
Catch and release. Yeah, well, that's very good. Very good. But that difference. A bit difficult to film because of the sun. Around the other side, all the mountains. There's the vicar here. He's setting up. Paul hasn't even got his coat on.
There's a difference from the last time we were here.
Right, it is a bit, mate. Hello, Mum.
Hello, Mum.
Good. You alright, Vic?
Yeah, good, mate.
Yeah? What you up to there, mate?
Just
Yeah?
running ledger.
Oh, quick one. Yeah? Yeah, that's the...
Running ledger. We've got oh, I think 6060.
Good.
Go big or go home.
Well, that's a good policy. Look at Piers in the sunshine. The light reflecting off his bald head. Hey! There's enough of that! Go! Cheers, bro. Go get him shot. Can't see. He's probably not on film because he's in Yes, well, yeah. Oh, nice. Yeah, copy that, mate. Nice. It's hard work, it's fishing, isn't it? It is. It's filming right now. What do you want to say to it? Speak now or forever hold your peace. Oh, what's that? He's being very quiet. He's going when he was going to say something. Now, so I'm going to do some public service broadcasting now. When you're having a lager while you're fishing, it's important you keep it cold. Fortunately, all you have to do is this. Instant refrigeration for your lager. I think it's fantastic. It's the future. I think Ramsgate Harbour should have
Snow on it.
6 inches of snow.
Apparently next week it's forecast. So the Daily Mirror says.
Oh. The perfect drinking temperature. Switch it off, Vicar. Switch it off. No one wants to hear me.
What are you going to do, Jeff?
I'm going to do a snow angel.
Go on then. Is that for catching your £9 cod? It looks amazing. Do you need a hand up? Silly ass.
There's no copyright on there, that's not music, is it?
So, Jeff, what's for dinner tonight, mate?
Okay,
Okay, Jeff, hang on. Oh, we're filming. Go.
Nice pot of potatoes there, which I painstakingly peeled
He did.
to make a nice creamy mash.
How big are Norwegian potatoes?
This is going to be my Provençal. I'm going to call this cod Bloody Mary.
Ooh.
Here's the cod, which we caught today.
Let's have a look. Is that all? Are they my?
Filleted and skinned.
Are they your ones or my ones?
Bit of both.
Bit of both.
Jeff, is there any vodka going in your cup?
No, I wasn't going to, no. Yeah. Well, I can do. I can put a little bit of vodka in there.
Okay,
I don't want
okay, we're back. So that's the Provençal sauce.
Well, I'm making that going, and then we're going to
Has it got lard on?
poach the cod in there.
Oh, lovely.
And then at the last minute we should add the prawns. So we've got cod and prawns in a tomato vodka. No, not vodka. Bloody Mary. I'm going to call this Bloody Mary.
A Bloody Mary.
Yeah,
Good.
Can I ask, did you catch the prawns?
No, but I did catch a cod.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Did anyone else catch cod steak?
No.
Do you think this will lift the mood?
Yes.
Because I feel flat.
Yes, I feel sorry for you lot.
I feel flatter than a witch's tit at the
You blanked
moment.
today, and I caught halibut and the cod.
Can I swear on this?
No.
Oh.
That's already edited out, mate.
Pardon?
That's already edited out.
I know, but he's trying to make me feel worse. He can cook. He can cook and he can fish.
Oh.
What more does a woman want?
The cod is slowly poaching. Look at this. Look. I'm slaving over a hot stove. While you two,
And we're slowly
Hey.
poaching as well.
you're slowly poaching as well, yeah. I even had to make Mr. Manser a Bloody Mary. A bloody Mary.
I'm licking my wounds.
I got myself one. Plating up in a minute
Well,
on this year's MasterChef.
this evening
Got
we've
3
got
minutes, mate. Chef's got 3 minutes.
Jeff's got 3 minutes apparently. We're having. I don't know what he's doing to those potatoes, but I think they're dead. We've got some nice cod. Who caught the cod?
Me.
Oh, you caught the cod. So you're cooking the cod.
Some Paul's.
And Paul's. Very nice. Very domesticated, isn't he? What on earth has that potato done to you? It cooks well for a baker.
Look at this.
Hey, chef.
Are there no peas? I thought you like peas.
We ain't got no peas.
Oh,
Haven't got no peas.
looks beautiful though. Did someone catch this though?
Catch and cook.
Catch and cook with Priest and Baker. Thank you, Jeff. It was amazing. Wow, look at that. Mm.
Fresh line caught cod.
Where are you sitting, this?